So let's try the horn. It might sound ass. Oh my God, let's try it again. YouTube, what's good? Leekautorepair. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit the bell button too on the side so y'all get my notifications on time, every time. So I'm working on a 2012 Chevy Malibu. No matter if it's a 2.4 or 3.6 on this issue. If you've been following my story, I put in my story that this car got an issue with the horn not working. So as I'm pushing it right now, only thing I hear is like the relay clicking, so that probably let me know that I got power. So I'm not even, usually when I get problems like this, all the time I directly check the fuse. If something just don't completely work, then yeah. But me having power at the relay probably lets me know there's probably power at the connector. So what I'm gonna do is, I got the left front tire off, and then I'm gonna move the shield back. The shield is already missing some clips. Mind you that you will have to remove some clips. I'll let you know which one's going to be removed, but this car has been kind of like worked on before, and ain't nobody put no shit back properly, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna put the shield back, and the horn is in the left front wheel section. You gotta move the shield back for the wheel well shield, basically the inner shield lining, whatever you want to call it. There's all types of names for it. Move it back, and then it's a pair. It's not just one. You can have usually like a high and low, or maybe two highs. I don't know what they're doing nowadays anymore, if that makes sense. But yeah, so hit the like button, subscribe button, and let me get my power probe out. I use that as a testing tool. You can get away with like a test light if you want, or a meter is always better than the two I just named, basically. So let's get to it. Alright, it's not gonna be like the best camera angle, but gonna make it work. I don't know what the hell I just said a second ago, don't mind me. Now this shield right here is the shit I was talking about. You won't be able to see probably up close. I got my 22mm flat, we call it the pancake lens, so you really ain't no zoom in unless I move the camera in. I'm gonna need to get me a couple more lenses. For now, I love this lens right here because it's great. This shield basically comes, you gotta move it out the way, but 1, 2, 3, and there's another one inside of here if you can't see. It's one up here, and then another pushing clip right here. I don't know what's your remedy. I'm not going to let this worry me because it was already like this, so I'm not going to be the guy to just start touching stuff all crazy. But what I will do is remove this shield right here. Now I'm kind of like lacking some tools, so just bear with me. Give me a second. Oops, that broke. And I believe I probably got another one to replace it, but for now, I'm just going to dig into it. Just flat screwdriver. I'm going to bring the camera in a second. I need to run to do what I do. And let me see. There's nothing under here. Hold on. Maybe it's set for a 7. Here. Get up under here. Should have used my electric ratchet. Alright, it's out of there. So yeah, whatever you gotta take off to get the shield out, it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't like to let it stress you if you can't get it off. I believe this probably, one more. Yeah, this car, I believe this car is like a salvage title. And guess they didn't want to get the paint job done. So looks like some type of debris or whatever the fuck out of here. Let me push this back as far as I can. And ooh, these horns don't look good. Let's move the shield back some more. And I need a second to get this clip out of here. This clip, most likely because I don't have the proper tools to get it out, believe it's going to probably break coming off. It didn't break, it just flew somewhere. I think, oh, okay, right under there. But no, move this back. Actually, that one broke off, so it looks like I do have a couple to spare in my cart. So I do got some zip ties. We love zip ties, but we got it in here, and it looks like I keep on going. And I'm in here now. So I don't know if you can see if the camera angle is good. This is the pair of horns. I am going to bring the camera in a second. So what I'm going to do is it's a 10mm bolt. I'm going to remove it off of the move the bolt. So bracket thingy majig. If I can find a damn tool I had. I'm using manual tools today. Ain't nothing wrong with using manual tools. Do what you gotta do. I could use my ratchet, but not everybody got power tools, right? So just one 10mm bolt holding this in. I've seen these fail all the time, mainly because people don't have shields or somehow water gets in here basically. So I got this horn hanging. I ain't gonna lie, this don't even look like the original horn. I mean, it plugs it up into the connector. It looks like a wire broke off of here. I'm not sure if I don't think I could repair that. So let's test these horns out, so y'all know how to test the horn. I disconnected the horn. This is the connector for it. It is a 2-pin connector. I don't have any type of conductor-ish items that I could use. No paper clip I usually have on deck, or my back probes. I left those at work. And my back probe is not pointy enough. I do have a pointier tip in my box to use for my back probe, but I don't want to use it. So I want to use this little thingy majig and then jam into here. You can give me a second. This camera's going to be in my way because I got it up close. I believe I should be able to stick the probe in. It should be, let me see if it'll work. Should be good enough. Nope. So let me see if I can find something thinner than this. Give me a second. I found something better. Some wire. We love wire. So I'm gonna stick this. Move this light up for it. Sorry for the lighting. It's not like the best here. Let's try this again. Just gonna stick it in one. Then I'm gonna stick. Let me turn the key on in case I need the key on. Usually the circuits run hot all the time, but I'm not playing. I'm just turning it on right now. All right, music off, 'cause you know how YouTube got to cry. And let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, we got continuity. So that lets me know we have ground. So from one end to another, we have a complete path. So I believe I stuffed it in there. So let's stuff it in the one next to it. Let's see if we got power. We should have power. And like I said, well, not like I said, I didn't say it. But I'm saying it now. This might not work until I hit the horn. Probably not. Nope, I don't. No power. Alright, so I might check the fuse first, but let me see if this come on. Sorry for the lighting. It should be fuse number 8, and that's over here. So what I'm gonna do is, ooh, we got power on both sides. Alright, so let's roll out the fuse. See, I wasted my time. That's why I usually, sorry, give me a second. That's why usually I don't like to check fuses right away. Sometimes. Alright, so let's keep the light right here. So, let me see if I can jam it back in the connector more, just so I can see if I can get a sturdier, some type of contact. Because I believe it didn't even hit it. Let me see now. I think I got it. All right. That didn't work. Let me try hitting the switch and see if that worked. Now I'm just randomly doing shit because I didn't even get a wiring diagram. I should have did that, but I don't feel like it. So now I'm just gonna leave the power probe set up just like that. Let me see if I hit the horn in it. Oh, whew. Okay, do it again. Now the horn's supposed to work every time when I hit the switch. Like, Don't be like me guessing. Go get a wiring diagram. So usually, so the 12, I said it wrong. I said that when you hit the horn, that it's like a ground switch. It could be wrong. I don't know. I gotta check the wiring diagram. But there's no power passing through until I hit the switch, basically. So maybe I should get a. No, I'm not getting a wiring diagram. I'm not helping y'all. All right. So we know the circuit is good. So that rolls out this horn. So let's maybe see if I can power up this horn. My auxiliary ground from the test probe and power probe, I mean. So I have no continuity when I link the two circuits, the two pins together to create a circuit. Nothing. So basically there's an open. If I power it up, nothing was going to happen because there's no complete circuit. The power is not going to get sent anywhere. So it could be because of here. Let's see. Let's ground you right, put you right here, and see if you will work. Nah, I got the broken wire right here. It's nothing. Nothing. It's open. There's an open. So you got an open circuit like this. What's your next thing to do? I'll give you a second to think about it. Alright, second's over. Get your ass a new horn set. So you can go to GM and get it, or you can go to the parts store and get it. Just know the one from GM is gonna sound better than the one at the parts store. Mark my word. So I'm gonna go to the parts store now and go get the horn and then call it a day. So give me a second. Y'all gonna laugh. The brand I got. And this is what we gonna work with. We gonna make this chumpy work. I need to get some more light, better lighting up in here, but I don't want it to be too bright where I gotta adjust the camera. So I'm gonna deal with it the best I can. I should have put the other lens on so that way I could have zoomed out and then zoomed in. It is what it is. Don't help. I don't have a razor with me. Give me a second. Use my superhuman strength. Man, there. They sure as hell make these easy to remove. All right, so it's a pair of these. You can get 1, 2. Or they gave us a relay. Or which I'm not going to need this. Why? Because the car already has a relay. They do got brackets. Then I do got a wire. I don't know what. Oh, I got same package, a pair of what I need. A wire with leads already on it, spades or whatever you want to call it. So what I want to do is I am going to remove this bracket. Bam, bam. It's 2 10s, and just break this free right now. It's kind of already loose itself. Why am I not surprised? And I'm going to use this bracket. I'm not going to use what they supplying me. They're like, oh, this is not going to sound good. Oh, it's not going to. Look. It's going to sound the way it's going to sound. Not my problem. Now, I am going to, nah, I guess I'm going to face it down. I don't know. I kind of like don't care. Or let's face it this way. Let's put this nut back on. And this is the ghetto Leekautorepair, the customer. This is my boy, my brother boy, and he was like, yo, can you hook me up? Like, give me the bro discount. When you ask me for the bro discount, this comes with it. You want it done correctly at the way you know, the amount I wanted to charge, would have got done differently. I would have went to the dealer and got it. But we doing this way. So I went ahead and jumped the gun. I should have showed y'all me joining the well, I got it on the bracket, the original mountain bracket, and I put the 10mm bolt back on. And then I also had to run some, as you can see, the blue wires. I had to run everything and pretty much link this circuits together, series, the parallel, type of bullshit, but more so ground on ground and power on power. And then now that I got that linked together, now and I did have to bypass and cut the connector off. You don't want to do it this way. You go to the dealership, and this guy is, like I said, he wanted to pay this way. This is what comes with the deal, basically. So I'm okay with that, because I'm okay with that. So let's try the horn. It might sound ass. Oh my God, let's try it again. Alright, so that sounds not that bad. This is a high and low horn. So now I'm gonna probably put these get these wires all nice and secured, and I just got them twisted up together, but I'm gonna get those twisted together real good and get the electrical tape on the joint, and then yeah, I'm not soldering. No, I am not. And not all the time you have to solder, and is that needed? No, because if you work in like places like an Audi dealership or German places, there's like a couple places where I worked on like German cars, and I was told from other people who worked in as a tech for a long time that soldering the circuit's not always good, because the soldering and stuff can create more resistance in the circuit, basically. So not always is it good, and it is approved at some dealerships where you could twist it together, as long as you tape it up properly and the twist is tight. So that is okay. And then make sure you put like some wire, like harness, like those little like some kind of a grommet around it, basically, or whatever. But let me kill this real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna get the shell back together. I'll tuck the wires in the back. Put my electrical tape on it nice and tight. Make sure you pull it and tight, like wrap it at the same time, because that's how you can get it to tighten real good. And get this shield. Hope all this damn dust don't fly on me. Then I want to find some clips to reinstall put here, because obviously this ain't gonna stay up now. But yeah, that's my next goal. So I'm gonna go to repair. I'll see you on the next video.